Hello students, now I am explaining the remaining part of the chapter Rupees and Pies. Here we have a news. What is the Mumbai news? Children freed from factory. 10 young children are working in the bangle factory. 10 children are working. A news reporter and police found them in a sad condition. The factory made the children work very hard. It paid 80 rupees per day. For children, they are paying 80 rupees per one day. The children are happy to go back to their homes in their villages. They will go to special schools so that they can learn to study like other children in their age. By making children work, the factory tries to save money. The police will not take care. How much money they want to save? The factory want to save one older worker taking money per one day 510 rupees. One children taking money 80 rupees per one day. One older worker taking money per one day 510 rupees. One children taking money per one day 80 rupees. Total how much money saving for 510 minus 80? 510 rupees minus 80. That means 513 rupees for older worker. 513 rupees for older worker, 80 rupees for children. 513 minus 80, 433 rupees saving for one children. 80 rupees children is taking for one day work. Older person they are taking 513 rupees per one day work. How much money they are saving? 433 rupees. Like that, how many children we have here? 10 children. So 433 into 10. 4,330 rupees are saving the factory. The factory is saving 4,330 rupees. And next we have a train journey. Here we have train journey. The train goes Jalpaiguri to Guwahati. Here distance they gave distance in kilometer from Jalpaiguri. And station we have and what is the cost of ticket fare in rupees. Here 57 kilometers from Jalpaiguri to Newmal, 12 rupee 50 paise, and 175 kilometers Alipurduar, 28 rupees, and 366 rupees Golpara, 49 rupees 50 paise. 495 kilometers Guwahati, 62 rupees 50 paise. Here is it. Distance station fare from New Jalpaiguri to Newmal, 57 kilometers, 12 rupees 50 paise. Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar, 175 kilometers, 28 rupees. Golpara, 366 kilometers, 49 rupees 50 paise. Guwahati, 495 kilometers, 62 rupees 50 paise. Here now we should find the distance from Newmal to Guwahati. Newmal to Guwahati. Here we know that Jalpaiguri to Guwahati. This is Jalpaiguri means this is Newmal and take this Guwahati. From this total is 495 kilometers Jalpaiguri to Guwahati. But Jalpaiguri to Newmal how many kilometers? 57. Now they are asking Newmal to Guwahati. Here to here we want. So total 495 minus 57. So 15 minus 7, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 438 kilometers from Newmal to Guwahati. Next what they are asking, Newmal to Golpara. Newmal to Golpara. Go up to here. Golpara. How many kilometers? 366 kilometers from Jalpaiguri to Golpara. But here they are asking Nummal to Golpara. Nummal 57 we should subtract. Here see 16 minus 7, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 3. 309 kilometers from Nummal to Golpara. Okay. Next from Alipurduar to Guwahati. Yes. Total 495 kilometers, but they are asking Alipurduar to Guwahati. Alipurduar 175. From Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar is 175 kilometers. Total we have 495 kilometers minus 175 kilometers. We should do the subtraction. From this total, we should subtract this Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar. In middle we have Nummal also. Okay. Next, Nummal to Alipurduar. Here is Nummal to Alipurduar. Here Nummal and here Alipurduar. Up to Alipurduar 175 kilometers. From Jalpaiguri to Nummal 57. So this is 57. This total is 175. 175 minus 57 means we can get from here to here the distance. So 15 minus 7. 6 minus 5, 1. 118 kilometers from Nummal to Alipurduar. Next, Golpara to Guwahati. Let's take Golpara, Guwahati. Total 495. Total from Jalpaiguri to Guwahati 495 kilometers. Here they are asking from Golpara to Guwahati. Only this one they are asked. So 495 up to Jalpaiguri to Golpara 366. So minus 360. 15 minus 6, 9. 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 129 kilometers. Next, here they asked another question also. Bhupen is going New Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar. Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar. That means, what is the cost of his ticket? What is the cost of Alipurduar ticket? 28 rupees. Indra has to go from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara for here. So, how much does she pay for the ticket? How much she pay for the ticket? 49 rupees 50 paisa. From Jalpaiguri to Nummal 12.5 rupees. From Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar 28 rupees. From Jalpaiguri to Golpara 49 rupees 50 paisa. And Jalpaiguri to Guwahati 62 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. Next, Debu, Shoma, Gobind are going from Jalpaiguri to Nummal. Jalpaiguri to Nummal, how much money? Only 12.5 rupees. The amount pay for the 3 tickets. One ticket cost from Jalpaiguri to Nummal 12.5 rupees. How many members are going? 3 members. How much cost for 3 tickets? 3 tickets. That's why we should multiply. See, 12.5 rupees we should multiply with 3. 3 0 0, 3 5 15, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, 3 3 3 1 3. 37 rupees 50 paisa. At that time they gave 50 rupee note for the tickets. How much money will they get back? For these 3 tickets they gave 50 rupees note. 50 rupees note. And we should subtract this money from 50 rupees. Here see. Ten minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. Again, they'll get the money 12.5 rupee. Okay. Okay, students, I completed this lesson. I'll meet you later.